Welcome to this explainer. Today we're diving into a wild biological mystery to unlock your cellular health.
Think about it. How does a massive, ancient creature with trillions of cells completely dodge cellular aging? We're talking about the bowhead whale. This absolute unit weighs a staggering 80 tons.
Yet it thrives for over 2 centuries in freezing Arctic waters, literally without accumulating deadly mutations.
It's called Peto's paradox. Massive animals should be cancer factories, but the bowhead? Totally cancer-free.
Their secret? Genomic stability. It's their absolute mastery at repairing broken DNA and preventing mutations over time.
Compare that to us. Human cell repair is, well, messy. But the whale's repair crew? Totally flawless.
They use this cold-activated protein, CIRBP, which perfectly repairs DNA double-strand breaks without leaving mistakes behind.
For us humans, the biggest threat to our genomic stability is reactive oxygen species, causing severe oxidative stress. Just picture it as a dangerous cellular rust that constantly degrades our DNA and vital energy-producing mitochondria.
So, to emulate the whale's genomic stability, we need an elite defense system to neutralize this rust.
Enter the SibXP Complex. It's a unique blend of 3 reinforcing natural ingredients for robust cellular defense. Inside, natural antioxidants like Maltol and Flavonoids provide targeted benefits to neutralize those pesky free radicals.
Essentially, they act as a clinical anti-rust coating, deeply protecting your vulnerable cellular batteries from oxidative damage. Biochemically speaking, these antioxidants bind to reactive oxygen species, neutralizing their effects to keep mitochondria protected.
By protecting those mitochondrial membranes, this mechanism maintains healthy energy production and supports real genomic stability.
Amazingly, just 2 milliliters is the optimal daily amount to get this elite cellular protection going.
Specifically, a 2 milliliter daily serving of VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90% delivers these exact anti-rust benefits.
As researcher Vera Gorbanova points out, science proves we can actively improve our own cellular repair.
So with 200-year-old cellular inspiration on your side, what will you achieve with your newly restored energy?